If I lost everything tomorrow, no audience, no YouTube, no community, no income, and all I had was a laptop and Claude code, here's exactly how I would make my first $1,000. And I'm not going to give you some vague motivational advice. I'm going to give you two specific plays, two real ways to go out and get paid this month. No coding background needed, no portfolio, no connections, just Claude code and a little bit of hustle. And the second method I'm going to share, that one has the most long-term upside, so make sure you stick around for that. Okay, so first let me set the stage. Right now, we're living in the best time in history to make money with AI. And I don't say that lightly. Businesses everywhere, from your local plumber to funded startups, they all know AI is changing everything. They've seen the headlines, they've heard the buzz, but most of them have absolutely no idea how to actually use it. They don't know how to automate their workflows, they don't know how to build tools, they don't even know what's possible. And that gap between what they know they need and what they can actually do, that's where your money is. And here's the thing, 6 months ago, you might have needed to be a legit developer to fill that gap. Today, you need Claude code and the willingness to solve problems. That's it. I'm living proof. I don't have a computer science degree. I'm not a software engineer. I never was. I committed to figuring this out and I built a real business from it. So everything I'm about to tell you, this isn't theory. This is what actually works. Let me give you the first play. Play number one, the Reddit method. There's a subreddit called Small Business. Over 700,000 members, real business owners, not tech people by the way, not AI bros, actual people running actual businesses, and every single day they're posting their problems. I spend 4 hours a day manually entering invoices. I can't figure out how to track my leads. My onboarding process is a disaster. I need a better way to schedule my team. These are real posts, real pain, and nobody is solving it for them. Here's what I would do. I would live in that subreddit. I don't mean casually scroll through it once a week. I mean actually check it every single day. I would read every single post. I would study what people are struggling with. And then here's the move. When I find a business owner posting about a real problem, I would copy that problem, paste it into Claude code, and tell it to build a solution, a simple tool, a small automation, a dashboard, whatever solves that specific problem. Then I would go back to that Reddit post and say something like, hey, I actually went ahead and built something that solved this. Completely free. Here's what it does. If you want, I would love to jump on a quick call and walk you through it. And if you need something more customized, I offer that as a service. Think about what just happened. You didn't cold pitch anyone. You didn't send a spammy DM. You saw a real problem. You solved it for free and you offered to help further. That business owner is going to be blown away. Nobody does this. Nobody takes the time to actually build something before asking for money. And that first free build, that's your foot in the door. That call turns you to a $500 project, maybe $1,000. Maybe it turns into a monthly retainer. And at worst, at absolutely worst, you just got a testimonial, a case study you can use to land the next client. And by the way, it's not just the small business subreddit. There's an entrepreneur subreddit, a SaaS subreddit, a no-code. There are communities full of people literally describing their problems in detail and telling you exactly what they would pay to fix. It's like they're handing you the answer to the test. Now that method alone can get you to $1,000, but let me give you the second play, and this is the one where the real money is long-term. Play number two, local business websites. I need you to hear me on this. You have no idea how bad most local business websites are. I'm talking about your electricians, your plumbers, your contractors, your landscaper, your dentists, your barbers. Go look at their websites right now. Most of them look like they were built in 2009. Some of them don't even have a website. They're running their entire business off of a Facebook page. These people are not tech savvy. They don't know what's possible. They're still paying some random marketing agency, sometimes thousands of dollars for a basic website that takes weeks to deliver. Here's what you can do with Claude code. You can build a clean, modern, professional website. I'm talking a site that looks like a marketing agency built it in minutes, not hours, not days, minutes. And I mean high-end, responsive, fast, professional. The kind of site that would make a local contractor look 10 times more legitimate than their competition. Now here's the play. Walk into a local barbershop, a dental office, a plumbing company. It doesn't matter. Look at their website or lack of one. By the way, you don't even have to walk into a local, barbershop or a actual plumber job site, right? You can literally send them a message via email or send them a text saying, hey, I noticed your website could use an upgrade. I actually went ahead and put together a mock-up of what a modern site could look like for your business. No charge for the mock-up. I just want to show you what's possible. If you like it, I can set the whole thing up for a few $100. A few $100 for something a marketing agency agency would charge thousands of dollars and you built it in an afternoon. They're going to say yes because you're not pitching them an idea. You're showing them the finished product. That's a completely different conversation. And here's what it gets really interesting. The website is just a foot in the door. Once you have built their site and they trust you, you can upsell. Hey, I can also set up an automated booking system for you. I can build a tool that sends follow-up emails to your customers automatically. I can create a simple dashboard that tracks your leads. Now that $200 website turned into $500 project, then an $800 project, then a monthly retainer. One client becomes $1,000. 2 clients, you're at $2,000. And you can do all of this, every single bit of it, with Claude Code. No development team, no agency overhead, just you. So let me bring this full circle. 2 plays. Play 1, go to Reddit, find businesses posting real problems, build solutions with Claude Code, deliver them for free, and convert those into paying clients. Play 2, find local businesses with terrible websites, build them something incredible in minutes with Claude Code, charge a few $100s to get your foot in the door, and upsell from there. Either one of these can get you $1,000 this month. Do both and you'll get there even faster. And remember what I said at the beginning, if I lost everything and I had to start from scratch, this is exactly what I would do. Not because it sounds good in a YouTube video, because it actually works. The tools exist right now. The demand is there right now. The only thing that's missing is you deciding to stop learning and start earning. Now, I just gave you the whole playbook, but I'll be honest with you, executing this alone is hard. Knowing what to charge, how to handle clients, how to scope projects, how to upsell, there's a lot of nuances that couldn't fit into one video. That's exactly why my community exists. Inside, we've got real people doing exactly what I just described. They share their wins, they share their mistakes, they help each other land clients, they review each other's work. It's not a course you watch and forget, it's a community where people actually build together. No coding background required, that's the whole point. If that sounds like what you need, the link is going to be in the description. Come join us. Hopefully I'll see you inside. If not, thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.